So under the new act, which is proposed at this point, it hasn't been passed into law, but as we saw in the previous proposed legislation, the minimum education requirements for police applicants will change, and they will now be required, in addition to the traditional requirements of having a driver's license, being a Canadian citizen, they will also now have to have either a university degree or a Police Foundation's type of college diploma.
And how will that improve the service?
Well, I think we've already largely started to move in that direction, where the majority of applicants now have some form of post-secondary experience. But there are some, the other side of that is there are some services that are concerned that we might be limiting the pool of people that might be eligible to apply.
And what are some of the other changes that were announced?
I know there's some significant changes to proposed with regards to police complaints and the operation of the Special Investigations Unit. And with the SIU in particular, one of the changes is that they're now proposing 120 days for the majority of investigations to be completed. And as well, the rules surrounding when police agencies must notify the SIU have changed.
Right, and that's a big one, right? Because before, every single time that you police officers were involved in any type of altercation, they would have to become involved.
Correct. And so what's proposed now is that in cases where an officer's only involvement is the administration of first aid or some other measures, life-saving measures, that resulted in a person's death, that we would no longer have to contact the SIU in those cases. And I think the intent of the legislation is to strike the balance between proper police oversight and transparency, which we all support, and at the same time making sure that, that the oversight system operates efficiently.
Was there any mention in any of the proposed changes with regards to street checks or carding and allowing some form of that going forward?
I haven't gone through the entire act, and I haven't seen anything outside of the existing collection of information legislation that currently exists.